Description: due to ongoing dry weather and little rain in the forecast, the Eagle Cliff water system will be moving to Stage 3 water conservation guidelines as of Friday, June 27, 2025. Under Stage 3 water conservation guidelines, watering of flower and vegetable gardens is restricted to hand watering or the use of spring-loaded shut-off nozzle only, and the filling of pools, hot tubs, fountains, or ponds is prohibited. Using drinking water for irrigation, landscaping, or recreation during a time of potential drought puts unnecessary strain on our limited supply, which should be prioritized for essential needs such as drinking, cooking, and sanitation. Prioritizing essential uses and taking conservation steps early helps ensure that everyone in our community has access to safe, reliable water, and reduces the likelihood of more severe restrictions later in the season. Further information can be found here. Thank you for your cooperation and commitment to water conservation as we navigate the challenges of a changing climate together. Questions? Contact Public Works on 604-947-4255, extension 4, or at publicworks@bimp.ca.